Good morning. Take a moment to pause and allow yourself to fully embrace this new day. Let me guide you through a brief morning meditation to center your mind, energize your body, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. And breathe out, releasing any tension. Inhale again, deeply and fully. And exhale, letting go of the weight of yesterday. With each breath, let go of any remnants of sleepiness. With each exhale, release stress, any worries or distractions. Allow your body to fully relax into the present moment. Now, focus on the rhythm of your breath. Notice how the air moves in and out of your body. Inhale and exhale. As you continue breathing slowly, allow your body to feel lighter, more awake, more vibrant. With every breath in, imagine you're filling your body with positive energy, vitality, and warmth. With every breath out, release any heaviness or tension that doesn't serve you. Inhale, feel your energy growing. Exhale, let go of any resistance. Now bring your awareness to your body, from the top of your head down to your toes. Know that you are deeply connected to the earth, supported and strong. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. I honor my body and treat it with love and respect. I am strong, resilient, and capable. Every cell in my body radiates health and vitality. I trust my body to guide me through the day with strength and ease. My body is a beautiful expression of health, vitality, and grace. Feel these words sink in with every breath. Imagine your body becoming more alive, more energized with each affirmation. Now shift your focus to your mind. Notice how it may be starting to clear and become more focused, more present. Acknowledge any thoughts that come and let them drift by like clouds in the sky. Repeat these affirmations for your mind. My mind is clear, focused, and calm. I am capable of handling anything that comes my way today. I choose thoughts that serve my highest good. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. My mind is a powerful tool that creates positive outcomes. With each breath in, feel your mind becoming more expansive and clear. With each breath out, let go of any lingering thoughts that no longer serve you. Now, shift your awareness to your overall well-being. Visualize your day ahead unfolding in the best possible way. Feel the sense of peace, joy, and confidence as you move through your day. Repeat these affirmations for your health and well-being. I am grateful for the gift of today. My health is thriving, and I am at peace with my body. I nourish myself with love, kindness, and compassion. Every moment is an opportunity to create health and happiness. I am in perfect harmony with my body, mind, and spirit. Feel the positive energy spreading through you, filling you with light and strength, creating balance and well-being in every part of your life. Now, take one final deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, vital energy. Exhale slowly, letting go of any remaining tension. As you breathe in again, know that you are fully prepared for the day ahead. You are aligned, you are balanced, and you are ready to embrace all the opportunities the day holds. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body gently, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Know that you carry this sense of peace, strength, and vitality with you into your day. You are powerful. You are healthy. You are ready.